Hello, everyone. So I just wanted to touch base with you at the start of this week. This is our last week that we will be doing this choice board. Okay, so you're still using the same board, you're still using the same slideshow that you've created. If you're not quite sure what that means, you need to hop back on to after day one and then clearing it up. So it has a video, skip through a little bit about halfway, and it has some information on how to create a slideshow to turn in any of your work. But for this week, you're finishing up your options on your choice board. And just a reminder of how this works, and hopefully everybody's understanding what's going on. If you're still kind of lost, what you'll do this week is if you know you've got a lot of math homework, or you know you've got language arts that's starting something that's a little bit harder, you might want to choose the easy section. Okay, so then you would choose 3 items from the easy section to complete this week. Okay, and there's instructions and an example of each, me or someone else. And then you have instructions on how to do that. You just have to click each of these, they're each links, and then you can click on the link to take you to the video, most likely a video. So that's kind of how this operates. Okay, if say your week looks a little bit easier in your other classes, maybe you want to be done faster though, you would choose 2 medium assignments. And so it could be anything that's under this yellow band, right? Same thing, there's other extra examples in some of these, but there's instructions and then examples. And if you want to just work on one project, but you want to take the week to do it, it might be a little bit harder, it might take a little bit longer for you to complete it, but these are some of my favorite activities, are the ones that are a little bit harder. And so you would choose one activity from the hard section. Again, still instructions and examples for each one. And then I forgot to tell you at some point, there are some homemade supplies down here. So if you wanted to make paint, but you don't have paint at home, you can make it. You could make clay. I tried the dough clay and I didn't have a lot of success, but I think it was a user error instead of the supply. So maybe you try it and see how it goes. Make sure you get permission before you take anything from your mom or dad's pantry though, before you mess anything up. Make sure you're asking. And then when you're finished, you're going to make sure that you're hopping on to your, let's see if I can pull it up. I believe I have information. Yep, somebody's. You're going to create a slide, right? Choice board slide. You're going to label it what it is, the activities. And then when you're finished with each project, if you've already finished it and you've sent me a link or you've sent me an image of something like that, what you should do is create a Google slide and then put in each of your activities with the title that was on the choice board. So where it says title, you can type in what it was that you chose to do, the activity you chose, and then insert an image. And you can either go straight from your computer and click your camera and your camera will pull up, or you can go from your Google Drive, you can go from your photo, you can upload from your computer. However you want to do it, it might just be easiest to take it from your computer. It might be easier for you if you're on your phone to take it from your camera, or if you have Google Drive like me, I do a lot of shuffling from my phone to my computer through Google Drive. So if you have any questions about how that goes, let me know and I will answer it as quickly as I can. I'm home and I've got my phone on me, and anytime you send me a message in Google Classroom, it sends me a notification right away, and I will answer that as quickly as I can. So I hope that clears up some things. If you have any more questions, let me know. Week 3, final week on this choice board. I think it'll be fun. If you've done easy for 2 weeks in a row, you're going to have a hard time doing easy again. So maybe you choose to bump it up a little bit and you move to the hard or the medium section. So give it a try, branch out, try something new, get creative, and I will